Installing a memory module. Attention! After disconnecting the power cords from the system, wait 20 seconds before removing or installing a memory module. This allows the system to be completely discharged of electricity. Open the retaining clips at each end of the memory module slot. Align the memory module with the slot and firmly press both ends of the memory module straight down into the slot until the retaining clips snap into the locked position. If applicable, install the optical drive cage and drive bay to assembly. Install the server cover.